Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another solo leveling Arise video, and I'm super excited to make this video. I've been waiting for the guilds to come out for quite some time, so big update about that. I'll kind of give you guys a brief tutorial, show you guys how the guilds work, what to expect, and also how to join my guild, because I did start one. If you guys want to join that, I'll provide those instructions in this video. And we also did get a new code as well, so if you guys haven't redeemed this yet, I'll put that in the description at the top so you can just copy paste it, but it's also pretty easy to type in. So it's just Guild Me Up, I believe, and you can go to your settings, account. This is if you're on PC or Android. If you're on iOS, I think you need to go to the solo leveling website or Netmarble or whatever, and then redeem the code there. But yeah, Guild Me Up, you'll go ahead and get, I think it's some armor or weapon enhancement, something like that. But go ahead and check it out and claim it in your messages. So this, I wish it was Essence Stones, Gold, or tickets. Those would have been probably a lot better, but we'll go ahead and take it. At least they gave us something, right? Better than nothing. But anyways, moving on to the guilds here. So I'll kind of show you guys how it works. This is my guild right now. I think I'm in here twice because I have my main account and then I have my free to play. But anyway, so this is kind of like the lobby. If you are making a guild, you can also customize this in the settings. I'll kind of show you guys how to join one if you're not in one already, and you can also join my guild as well. The only requirement is to be level 30, and then you need to apply, and then I can go ahead and accept you guys. But yeah, I'll go to the tutorial so I can show you guys this really quickly. This is kind of like what it looks like if you're making a guild. So there's a couple settings that you can configure. So you can make your guild name if it's public or private, open or based off if you need to approve them, and then if it's like friendly, rival, or other, and then you can set the level requirement and a nice little message here. So I think for my guild I made it public, but I did make it based on approval. I think I just put friendly. I don't think it's too big of a deal. You can always edit this later and change it around, and then you can also customize your guild flag or guild banner, whatever you want to call it. I think I already did ours like blue with a different logo, but yeah, so I mean, I've been waiting for the guilds to come out basically since the game was released. I actually used to play some other gacha games. One of the main ones, funny enough, was Raid Shadow Legends. Not sure if anyone's familiar with that, but they did have a pretty good guild system built into that game and many other gachas. So yeah, I mean, the guild is always fun, and you get lots of rewards, which I'll also talk about. So yeah, you guys can search it up, request to join. Here's the lobby, different activities. You can check out some of the information in the members. And then last but not least, there is the clan boss. So let me go ahead and go over to the guild now. I guess I'll cover, what do I want to cover first? I'll cover some of the guild missions. These are just like some rewards. My free to play just did all these, so I'll go ahead and claim those. There is a shop, so you can exchange this stuff for rewards, which is pretty nice. There's also weekly missions, but obviously you're not going to get those right away. Focus on the daily ones for now, and the weekly ones will come a little bit later. Then over here on the left-hand side, this is going to be the guild exchange shop. I don't know if I have a really good recommendation of what to pick up here. It's up to your preference. If you guys need artifacts, I would get the keys here so you can farm more Encore and Instant Dungeon keys. If you think you might need skills or blessing stones, you can go ahead and pick up the rune fragments or the powder of blessings. Or maybe if you're really short on gold, you can get that as well. But as your guild levels up, you'll be able to claim better rewards. And then where is it here? I think it's just under. You can kind of see. I don't know if it's going to show guild information. It shows the level right here. So it's kind of a long way to go, but we're at 29,000 out of 440,000. So I don't know what percent this is, like 5% or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, long way to go, but we'll eventually level up the guild here as more members join and do the different dailies. There is a mini game. This is kind of like the summer event. I'm not gonna go too much into details there, but you can do this mini games for different rewards. And yeah, last but not least, also the clan boss here. So I think the clan boss is pretty sick. I really enjoy this fight here. It's a lot more interactive than Power of Destruction, although it is a big dragon. For me, Power of Destruction at this point is definitely a chore. I don't really like that part of the game. It's the same thing over and over again, but this is a little bit more interactive. The dragon actually like moves around, does different attacks and stuff like that. And you get to fight with more of your hunters, so you can kind of put more of them to use here. So I do like that element quite a bit as well. You can kind of see how you can construct your team. It's up to you guys how you prefer to do this. I like to make my team captains like my 3 strongest hunters, and then I kind of do the next 3 strongest, and then the worst 3 strongest at the bottom. But yeah, just to kind of split up the teams evenly so they don't die right away. That's kind of how I set it up here. And the boss, the clan boss, is weak to every element, I guess, so it doesn't really matter who you use, but I'd kind of mix in a good amount of support, break damage, DPS, so yeah, that's kind of how I set it up there. I don't know if I'll do a video on actually playing through the clan boss. Maybe I will, but I do a lot of live streams. So if you guys ever want to tune into those live streams, I'll be doing more of playthroughs of different content of the game, including the clan boss. Yeah, so feel free to tune in whenever I go live. But yeah, guys, I don't want to take up too much of this video here of your time. I hope this was very helpful. You get that code and you know how the guilds work now at this point. So, and I'll be having a lot more content coming out. I'm about to release a summons video. I'm going to do a guide for Hansei Mi. And then once once I claim him from the check-in, I'll be doing a guide on him as well. So look out for all the new content coming. If you do want to subscribe, it would help me out a lot. I am doing a giveaway at 1K subs. It'll be a few different prizes, so you guys will have a little bit better chance to win. So yeah, I'll go ahead and stop the video here, guys. I know I've been rambling, but I really appreciate everyone tuning in and showing love to the channel. It means a lot as a smaller content creator. And yeah, guys, thanks again. Take care, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.